Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering everything up and preparing the remote. Insert fresh batteries and confirm polarity. Weak batteries cause intermittent signals. Turn the TV on and set it to the active input so the TV can respond. Locate the universal remote's code list or engage its code search mode now. This is how the remote learns the TV's commands. Once the remote is in search mode, you're ready to initiate the first code sequence. Follow the remote's LED. Now you enter and verify codes. If you have a listed code for your TV model, input it and press power. Make sure the TV responds. If not, use the remote's auto search. Hold the device button and cycle codes while observing the TV. Release when the TV reacts. Once the TV reacts, save that code immediately. Then test volume, channel, and menu to ensure full control. If some buttons fail, cycle nearby codes. One saved code often fixes most functions. Finalize the setup by saving the working code and locking it into the remote so accidental resets don't erase it. Walk through a full button test. Power off and on, adjust volume, change input, and open the menu to verify all key functions work. If a function misses, move closer, within 3 feet, and try again. Weak IR or low batteries are common culprits, so replace batteries before repeating auto search. If the remote still fails, consult the remote manual for device-specific reset or alternative programming methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.